Hello, my name's Alien Hardmark, and today we're going to have to go with the old chainsaw. And of course, Call of Duty Ghosts. A bit of free-for-all. Started off, and I'm not entirely sure which direction to go, so let's go this way. Hope for the best. Got a kill, so that's a good sign. You can't actually aim down with this gun. You can slow it down a little bit, but there's no sights. It's just blast and hope for the best. And yes, I do have the grenade launcher on it, just in case. My excuse is that I'm a noob, and I think it's a valid one. I'm going to move away from this place, I think, because I actually quite like this gun. I've used it a few times. Well, I've used it twice actually, but both times did alright. So I'm going to see if I can get better with it. I know I said I was going to move away from this spot, but nothing wrong with camping it, is there?
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Yeah, maybe there. Hello. No, nobody there. Maybe there is. No, don't shoot me. Oh, I was camping. Oh, I was camping. Oh, it doesn't matter. Take that. There we go. Now somebody might spawn in here. Nope, not today. Let's go up. Not that I would spawn kill, of course, you understand. Never do a thing like that. So yeah, got the grenade launcher on it, muzzle brake, I think, and extended mags, maybe? Something like that. I'm not high enough level for steady aim yet, which would help out a lot with this gun, I think. So quite looking forward to that. Yeah, there we go. Oh, no, deep impact, whatever it's called. Not deep. I don't know what it's called. FMJs, something like that. So, shoots through walls. That's the thing that's got on it.
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Oh, enemy SATCOM. Oh, I've got a SATCOM. Let's put it down here, where everyone can see it. Right, okay, so I haven't got a kill for a while. Let's see if I can turn that around. Probably not, but it's the thought that counts, isn't it? Doop. Oh, it was rubbish. There we go. Oh, he's on the floor. I just blasting suitcases and everything. I didn't see him. He was hiding. Hello, cheeky. Anyone around here? I don't think I've ever been out here. No. No. This is Sovereign, I think, the map. I think it's where they make tanks. Must have something to do with the story, the campaign mode. Haven't played the campaign mode, so I don't really know. Just a guess. Run away. Where's everyone? Someone's on a 5-kill streak. He is on fire. Oh, I was gonna say I can hear bullets, but I can't see anyone.
SATCOM spotted.
Come on, I'll get another kill. Yeah. Did he die? He didn't die, did he? Oh, I don't believe it. Actually, no, I do believe it. Humph. Yay! Third place down. Third place is down.
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Right, let's run this way.
SATCOM ready.
First place is down. Whoa. There's a dog there. Had no idea that was there. It's my first go with this gun in Free4All actually. I played it in team deathmatch. Just blasting really. Did alright. Became top of the losing team, so you know I was quite proud of that. No. Oh dearie me, failing squad. I'm not going to get too upset about it though. No, take one down, shot back. Good old Free4All. No. There we go.
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Enemy oh, I got a SATCOM.
Friendly SATCOM active.
I don't ever pay much attention to it, mind, but I've got one. Where? Oh, I'm being shot. I'm being shot. Game over.
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
SATCOM is spotted. Yay! First place is down. Yeah. Okay. So this gun's not actually that bad, you know, accuracy-wise. With steady aim, I'm sure it'll be brilliant. I'm looking forward to unlocking that. It's yeah, it's a bit different. Oh, I came second. Check me out. 14 and 14. There we are. Yeah, quite like this gun. Okay, 14-14 with a streak of 3. Yeah, feeling pretty smug. Right, okay. Did I unlock anything? No. Well, anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to leave a like, a comment, or even subscribe, that'd be brilliant. Thank you very much. Bye.